2. A 4. Okay, so I got everything, whole station set up to show you guys how to make this. So, we're gonna go ahead and start adding meatballs. Just like so. Now, when I make my meatball subs, I usually just go ahead and put them in the sauce. But since this is a different kind, I'm gonna do this. And we're gonna put this right on top. Just like so. Look at this. We're just gonna add the sauce. And I got some fresh mozzarella. 1, 2, 3. Then alright. So I like the cheese egg. And you usually put this on pizza, so it's grated parm. And now some pepperonis. I'm gonna show you guys one more. Look at that. That is beautiful. All right. Okay. All right. So this one only fit 3. There we go. You can like it cheesy or not cheesy. Throw some more of this right on top. All right. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish these, get these in the oven, and be right back. Okay, this absolutely beautiful. Look at this. Oh my goodness. All this cheese. Look at that. Juicy, moist. Pizza meatball sub. I blow it a little bit. Mm. 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 So good. Perfectly, perfectly seasoned. Mm. That bread got just the right amount of crunch to it, like a pizza roll. Absolutely delicious, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, guys, have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video.